Royal, Grand Canyon. Other side. The other side is the Mount Pyramid. Yeah, this is how it goes around Maribel Hub. You have to drive safely, not very fast. It's according to the regulation here. So here, see the it's a winding road. It's winding up. It's 30 miles from downstairs, from the point that we went to the other side. Okay. Oh, see, it's very curved. Okay, so that's all. Just wait for the actual view. Thank you. Road going to the other side of the Grand Canyon, the Cape Royal, and this is also winding road. And we have only 25 miles. What a beautiful rocky mountain, vast desert. See, oh, really?
Stop tayo dyan sa Virgin River. Stop yata dyan. Recreation area.
Old rocks. This is the Arizona Mountains. Bato.
Hindi ko ikuan hindi.
Yan.
Uy koy.
Stop sa tayo.
We already passed through the mountainous place of going to Arizona. See, this is now also the slough, a mountain form. On the other side is a rocky. This one is the right side. It's a green mountain. And, yeah. Ulit.
Ulit, TikTok.
Tikto. Dali, Utani. Utani. Likod. Sa likod.
Utani.
Yan. We have to rest. We have to go inside. We need to pee. Here, this is already Arizona. See the place? Yeah. And I go inside the marketplace. Chevron. And the weather is good, not too hot. Go inside. Hello! We are eating, we are making our snacks. Here, hoy! Kaway!
No.
Jimmy!
Hey.
John! Dong! Arnold! John! Yan.